In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Music not loading. If you're experiencing this on your iPhone or iPad, follow these troubleshooting steps to get back to enjoying your tunes smoothly. First, let's check your internet connection. Open Safari on your device and try loading a website. If the website doesn't load, it's a sign that your internet connection might be the culprit. In this case, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data or try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. Apple Music requires an active internet connection for streaming, so ensuring a stable connection is crucial. This step is important because without a proper connection, the app simply won't function. Now, let's move on to checking Apple's system status. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end. Visit Apple's system status page to see if there are any outages affecting Apple Music. If Apple's music services are down, the app may not load or might show blank screens. Knowing whether there's a larger issue can save you from unnecessary troubleshooting on your device. Next up, try force closing and reopening the Apple Music app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause for a moment. If you're using an older iPhone, double-press the Home button instead. You'll see a list of open apps. Swipe the Music app off the screen to close it. After that, reopen the Music app. This step helps clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. After that, restart your iPhone. Turn your device off by holding the power button. Wait about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Once your phone powers up, open Apple Music again. Restarting your phone can resolve many issues by refreshing the system and clearing minor software bugs. With your phone restarted, let's ensure your Apple Music subscription is active. Open the Settings app, tap your name at the top, and then select Subscriptions. Verify that your Apple Music subscription is still active. If it has expired, content may not load properly. This is crucial because an inactive subscription will limit your access to Apple Music features. Now let's turn Sync Library off and back on. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, then Music. Turn Sync Library off and wait a few seconds. Then turn it back on. This action can refresh your music library if it's stuck loading. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference in syncing your music correctly. Keep your device up to date by checking for iOS updates. Open Settings, tap General, and then Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. After updating, restart your device. Software updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues with apps like Apple Music. If you're still facing issues, try signing out and back into Media and Purchases. In Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases, and choose Sign Out. Sign in again and give Apple Music another try. This step can resolve account-related issues that might be affecting your access to the app. Finally, if nothing else works, consider reinstalling Apple Music. Touch and hold the Music app until a menu appears. Tap Remove App, then Delete App. Head to the App Store and reinstall Apple Music. Sign in with your Apple account if prompted. Reinstalling the app can often fix stubborn issues by providing a clean slate. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any loading issues with Apple Music. Thank you for watching and enjoy your music.